About 2 years ago, I traveled to India to study yoga, Hatha Yoga to be specific. I was so eager to learn how I could do my own practice without depending on somebody else's class. Don't get me wrong, I'd love to assist to yoga classes. Nonetheless, learning to create a yoga sequence by yourself is pretty practical if you like to practice yoga. Well, getting back to my story. One of the most important things I learned about my yoga course was the importance to take one moment of the day to connect with my own self. And today I'm far from saying that I do a big yoga practice every day, but at least one small practice stick with me, and this is the powerful Sun Salutation yoga sequence. This ancestral sequence is built in honor to the sun and to be grateful for the life it gives us every day. Giving us this opportunity to connect with ourselves, connect with our breathing and our body, and with the present moment while we straighten the muscles is a great opportunity to start a beautiful day. Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing very well today. And well, in today's video, as you are seeing in the title, I'm going to show you how to make the Sun Salutation, or called in Sanskrit Surya Namaskar. And as I was telling you guys, this is such a beautiful sequence of yoga asanas or yoga poses that if you connect really well with the pose and your breathing, you're gonna experience so much benefits in the level of your body, your mind, and of your spirit. The sequence is really easy to make. It involves basically 12 asanas or yoga poses. So you have to learn only to do these 12, and you start on your right side of the body, and then when you finish the 12 asanas, you switch on the left side of your body and you do the 12 asanas. That completes one round. Now, let's talk a little bit about the breathing. The breathing, guys, is like the bridge that connects the body with the mind. So it's really important for you to learn which asanas you have to inhale and which asanas you have to exhale. This is the way that you're going to enter to a beautiful flow between each change of position or pose, and with your breathing you're going to connect very well, and you're going to see all of the benefits that the yoga can bring you. That yoga means union, right? Is the union between the body, the mind, and the spirit. Now, talking about the indications, this Sun Salutation is going to bring you lots of benefits. Nonetheless, you have to practice it, and for that I recommend you to practice it every single day, especially in the morning with an empty stomach. You wake up, you wash your face, put the clothes on, and do the Sun Salutation. Why is it important to do it early in the morning? Because you're gonna experience all of these benefits through the day. So a really good start of the day is by doing this Sun Salutation. Now, how much rounds you should do? I recommend you do between 3 to 5 rounds, hopefully 5 every morning. 5 Sun Salutation is not gonna take you more than 10 minutes, and it's an excellent way to start your day. Now, something important before we start is that this video is just explanation of the Sun Salutation. I'm gonna make another video that it's only for practice, no explanation. So once you learn how to do it, just jump into the other video and you're gonna be able to practice every morning with me. Stand at the edge of your mat. Keep your feet together and balance your weight equally in both feet. Now, let's just take a moment to connect with your body. Close your eyes and acknowledge your presence. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Breathe in, lift your arms up and back, keeping your biceps close to your ears. To deepen the stretch, push the pelvis forward a little bit. Now, breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor besides to the feet. You may bend the knees if it is necessary to bring the palms down to the floor. Breathing in, push your right leg back as far as possible. Bringing the right knee to the floor and looking up. Open your chest, chin up. Holding your breath, take the left leg back and bring the whole body into a straight line, into plank position. As you exhale, gently bring your knees down to the floor. Now rest your chest and chin on the floor. The two hands, the 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin should be touching the floor. Slide forward and raise the chest up into cobra posture. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose and your shoulders away from the ears. Look up. As you breathe out, lift the hips and the tailbone up. Chest downward in an inverted V posture. Breathing in, bring the right foot forwards in between the 2 hands. Left knee to the floor and press the hip down and look up, opening your chest. Breathing out, bring the left foot forwards. Keep your palms on the floor. Bend the knees if it is necessary. Breathing in, roll the spine up, hands go up and bend backwards a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. As you exhale, strengthen the body, then bring the arms down. Now, we just finished the whole sun salutation for our right side. Now we're gonna start with the left one. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Okay, now let's breathe in, lift the arms up and back, keeping your biceps closest to your ears. Now, breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. To keep the spine erect, you can just look in between your hands. Breathing in, now push your left leg back as far as possible. Bring the left knee down to the floor and look up. This time, the right foot is in between the palms. Holding your breath, take the right leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. 8 parts on the ground. Slide forward and raise your chest up into a cobra posture. Breathing out, lift your hips and the tailbone up. The chest goes downward into mountain pose. As you breathe in, bring the left foot forwards in between the 2 hands and the right knee down to the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Breathing out, bring the right foot forwards and keep the palms on the floor. If you need to bend the knees, just do it. Breathing in, roll the spine up, hands go up and bend backwards a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then brings the arms down. In this position, relax and observe all of the sensations in your body. So guys, this was the video on how to do the sequence of yoga of sun salutation. I hope it works a lot for you. Please, if you have any doubts about it, just write it down below. As usual, you're gonna find a PDF file with all of the explanation that you can download on your computer or on your phone, so you will have it and check it any time of the day. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link down below of my blog, rameliving.com, and I'm gonna leave it down here below in the description box. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for being in the channel, and if you like it and you feel that your friends or family can benefit from this practice, please just share this video with your loved ones. Okay, and hopefully see you next week. Goodbye, take care, and please include lots of yoga in your life.